Hello.
Hi, we're Scatabout. My name's Amanda.
And I'm Dean.
And today we are going to the East Dam, which is in the UNESCO Global Geopark.
Yes, and what should we find there today, Amanda?
I don't really know, so we're just going to have to go and see.
All right, so where are we now though?
We are at the Volcano Discovery Centre.
So why are we here?
We're here because I researched online and I found that this is the place where you can buy tickets to do a half-day tour. I understand the tour bit is in Cantonese, which is just really a bus that will take us to the starting point, and then we can walk around the park ourselves.
Yeah, so it's a good transport option, so you don't have to worry about getting there and back. They'll have a shuttle bus for you to take you there in a designated time, bring you back. You can actually also get there through a taxi. There are taxis there typically, but you also do run the risk that there might not be any there, and because it's quite isolated, trying to get a taxi back could be an issue. But it depends what time of day. I hear that early on in the day is probably the best time to try, because a lot of people are still coming into the park. I believe you can actually also walk. There's a few kilometres walk from a entrance where a bus or a taxi could drop you off. But today we are a bit lazy because the weather's not great, so we'll get a shuttle bus from the visitors centre. Cool?
Yep.
Awesome. So Amanda, where are we?
We are at the Hong Kong UNESCO Geopark, which is in Sai Kung area. We're actually at the East Dam at the moment, and there's also a West Dam. So in the 1970s, they just decided that they may not have enough water, so that's why they built the dams and the reservoir. And in doing that, they actually uncovered some different rock formations. So we'll see some hexagonal type rocks and different things through volcanic activity.
That was over millions of years, not when they were building the dam.
Yes, Dean, I know that. And it's really, really windy here at the moment, and I'm regretting wearing shorts. Enjoyed our time at the East Dam. Really recommend going. It's a little bit different. You can see all the volcanic rocks and everything, and the nice water. We managed to actually fly the drone, which was good, so we got some good drone footage. Nice day out. Recommend, if you have enough time, that you could actually walk there, but I do understand it's 9 kilometres, which Dean didn't want to walk. So Dean, tell us 3 tips that you give people that are visiting.
Well, my 3 tips would be, number 1, transportation, always important. I would recommend that you have a plan for how to get back. Tip number 2, there's actually some really good vantage points around the dam where you can take some really good, cool photos. Of course, if you've got a drone, highly recommend bringing it out. There's some really cool drone footage, especially where the barrier is for the sea, but also then the reservoirs themselves. So definitely bring a drone if you can. But there's actually a platform along where the sea is that not many people go on. So there's times where you could actually have the entire length of it, which is about 150 meters, all to yourself. So some really good photos to be taken there. And then the third tip I would give is there's actually some other trails around the dam, so you don't have to go around the dam itself. It takes about 2 hours around the dam, but you spend another hour or another couple of hours, so 4 hours total. There's some other trails. There's even a beach you could walk to if you've got time to spare. So that would be my tips. Thank you.